Hey there guys, I am super excited today because I'm opening up this opportunity for you to get your hands on my powerful hospitality marketing framework for your hospitality business. This is the same framework that I've shared with other hospitality businesses who have gone on to enjoy, life-changing results. It's all about creating an affordable marketing system that turns potential customers into customers and customers into return customers, and flooding ideal clients into your business. The people you love to serve who want to pay you what you're worth so you can enjoy your business. Sound good? Well, I've gathered up all the trainings, tutorials, worksheets, templates, and more that I use with my private one-on-one coaching clients and put it together in a program to end all programs. One that will show you exactly how to implement a marketing system that will increase sales, increase customer spend, and get you positive reviews, even if you're starting from nothing. So let me proudly announce applications for the next intake of the marketing project are now open. This is an intensive and intimate 8-week coaching program, and I have loads of details to share with you about it. So I wrote a letter outlining it all in a link, which I've put, above or below, whatever I've linked this to. But here are a couple of points that you need to know. First, there's only 20 spaces available for this intake. And this is because of the hands-on coaching and mentorship really included when you join, which, by the way, is exceptional and makes this program unlike any other you'll find today. And second, the next intake starts July 8th. So if you're at all interested, there is a hot chance that this will slip by and slip through your fingers if you don't act now. But you should also know this. This marketing framework can work for you even if you're just starting out. All you need is a proven food and beverage offer, so a quality product that you're proud of. And no, it can work for you because someone else out there is doing it. If you've been building your business for a while, but you're not seeing the results that you want, this program will help you get back to basics with a fresh strategy and quickly accelerate your revenue growth. And because of that, this program will sell out fast. The intake closes the Friday, July 5th, so get in quick. You can read all the details about this life-changing opportunity below. I can't wait to see you there.